Hello, Dr. Weeks. This is Group 9's DPHP project, and this is the full system integration video that you asked for.
All right, so first, this is our charge controller, which is powering two buck regulators. First, it powers the 3.3 volt buck regulator, and then it powers the 5 volt buck regulator. The MCU board right here is being powered by the 3.3 volt buck regulator. Also, our power source is the 12 volt power supply, which we're using at the moment in place of our battery. This is used for testing purposes. And this is our LED strip, which is used as a battery indicator, and we display it by holding this for 2 seconds.
Next, we have the LED matrix. Here is the pre-built LED matrix that we're putting into the full system integration. This is the matrix that's going to be showing across the visor of the helmet once we have the helmet finished. And this matrix is also programmed to have multiple animations, multiple presets, and also to work with the microphone. And just to kind of go through different types, using the capacitive touch, we can also test each electrode to go through previous presets and the next preset, what we have. And then going back to the mode that we were initially in.
Text mode.
This is for the text mode.
Microphone mode.
Microphone mode.
Animation mode.
Oh, sorry.
Microphone mode. Group mode. Demo mode.
There you go, back to the demo mode. And this is basically where we first initially started. So after the LED matrix, due to JLC PCB not coming in time for the PCBs on the LED matrix, we decided to move on and build a new subsystem peripheral. And so now we have a new board with the LM386 and our speaker right here. And this speaker, as you can see, it has been telling us which mode and when the helmet is on and off. So when we turn it off, everything obviously shuts off. And then once we turn it on, right after the loading,
Helmet ready. Demo mode.
it said helmet ready and it's in demo mode. So that confirms that the LM386 is working. And also with the capacitive touch,
Graphics mode. Next preset.
set is graphics mode and it's set to the next preset. So now going back
Text mode.
to demo mode,
Demo mode.
and here we back are. So that's our LM386.
Okay. For the microphone, Professor Weeks was not able to solder it, so we ended up using a Max 918 or 9814 breakout board with automatic gain control. We configured it for a medium level of gain, and when we go into microphone mode,
Group mode. Microphone mode.
when we go into microphone mode, the sound is lower if I'm back here, usually, and when I'm closer to the microphone, it always maxes out. And then it also detects short spikes, like a snap, or a clap. And then for the capacitive touch, we have it so that
Previous preset. Previous preset. Previous preset. Next preset.
so
Previous
that right
preset.
goes to the
Previous
next preset and left goes to the previous preset. Holding either for 2 seconds goes into the next group,
Group mode.
and then holding for 4 seconds goes directly to microphone mode.
Microphone mode.
Yeah, and then holding both at the same time goes to battery indicator mode after 2 seconds.
And that's basically everything hardware-wise, and everything is working. We have our PCB fixed. Dr. Weeks helped us on that. Dr. Weeks also helped us on making sure that we were able to get this LM386 board made by the lab TA. And so all of our hardware is good to go. All our peripherals are good to go.
And here is the companion app to go with the helmet. So it's just a Windows applications right now, but this is the startup screen. We can start the handshaking process between the helmet and the app, or effectively it looks for the app's BLE server. As you can see, it's going through all the services and characteristics, and once it's done, it is going to go to the home screen where you have more advanced customization. It tells you the current mode. It's in demo mode right now, but you can see the whole thing. So if I was to go to graphics mode, I can instantly turn it to graphics mode, and I can cycle through them, and I can have more control than the capacitive touch by specifically choosing a preset. And if I go to text mode, I have a little bit of extra control. So for example, go nights, that's cool. So I can actually change the color, and I can do that. Let's just say I just want to do white for now, and it will instantly turn it to white. And if I want to, I can also, let's just say, go to sound mode, change the mode,
Microphone mode.
and let's just say I want to add this to the groups. At the moment, only group 1 is initialized. There we go. And if I go to group mode, I can change to group mode. Once again, only one group is enabled, but right now it's in the first group, the first custom preset for groups, and I can switch to other presets saved into this particular group. And it's effectively just references them. So here you go. That is all that I have for the app.
And so we finally have a full system integration, Dr. Wei, and everything is working just fine. The capacitive touch PCB that recently gave us issues is now fixed. Everything else is working just fine. We're just now putting everything into the helmet. The backpack is good to go. We can actually close everything up and have no issues. The only thing that we're worrying about is the ringing coming from the speaker hooked up to the LM386. And other than that, we are good to go. Everyone's subsystem is fully finished. Thank you for watching the video.